Welcome to my den.
Thank you. I can keep it here, right? ये हमेशा इतना क्लीन रहता है या आज कुछ?
You know me.
Do I? Thanks.
Please sit.
I read your script. It was good actually, but I think it's too restricted by rules of storytelling, you know?
I also felt the same. I mean, जब मैं लिख रही थी ना मुझे बहुत लिमिटेड फील हो रहा था.
Yeah, actually, look, the thing is, it's good to know rules, but जो art होती है ना वो जब भी flourish करती है when you know how to break them. I hope you're getting what I mean.
Rules are meant to be broken.
Sorry.
I forgot. I got this for you. This has all the movies that I've ever loved.
Thanks. It's beautiful. Can I see it? Thanks. पर sorry मैं कुछ नहीं लाया तुम्हारे लिए.
It's okay, don't feel obligated. Although small gestures go a long way.
Small gestures like
Like a hug.
okay, I can manage that. Yeah, good. तुम किसी को बताओगी तो नहीं ना कि मैं यहाँ आया था?
आप डरते हो?
नहीं, मैं क्यों डरूंगा? लुक द थिंग इज आई एम योर टीचर राइट. ऑल्सो मेरी उम्र तुमसे काफ़ी ज़्यादा है और यू नो लोग क्या बात करते हैं.
ओह, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था. You were expecting this to be a romantic thingy.
नहीं, नॉट.
Huh?
No, I didn't.
Relax. Don't overthink so much.
I think you're talking to the wrong person. Sorry.
But I think we share something special, don't you?
Yeah, I also feel so, but मुझे नहीं पता whether it's because you're too advanced या I'm stunted.
I am advanced.
Maybe, but I'm also little stunted.
Can we hug again? I mean, we can continue talking, but it felt nice.
Okay.
Can I kiss your forehead?
Sorry. हम इम्प्रोव कर रहे हैं क्या?
Can I please?
Okay.
आपको पता है, आप मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हो. ऐसा मुझे किसी के लिए कभी भी फील नहीं हुआ है. So, you are staying? बहुत लेट हो गया ना.
वो तुम्हारी रूममेट आएगी ना?
वो नहीं आएगी. हाँ, वो मूवी कहीं गई है. So,
Okay.
also, I want to tell you,
Yeah.
I've never done it. But I want to. With you, I want to.
Listen, just hold it. Sorry. I need time. मैं अभी आता हूँ. Sorry. Yeah.
नहीं बताना चाहिए था ना.
No, no, it's good. Actually, I'm glad you told me. Yeah, it's fine. No, there's no issue. Yes.
Is that a problem?
Listen, Meera, जो हम कर रहे हैं, yeah, there's a kind of problem and it's not practical.
You've not been with a virgin before.
No, that's not the. Meera, I'm 32.
मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
और मुझे फर्क पड़ता है, right?
Can you not obsess over your age? I mean, what if reincarnation is real and I am like thousands of years of age older than you?
That's not a sound argument.
Why not?
Meera, because everything has consequences and I believe in consequences.
You believe in guilt.
Just angry. Listen, maybe I believe in guilt, but guilt before actions is called morality. Listen.
तो यहाँ क्यों आए?
मुझे नहीं पता था कि
Oh.
तू you'll.
You were not expecting anything to happen.
Okay,
Huh?
I did somewhere, but listen, Meera, the thing is, sex is complicated. मैं तुम्हारी उम्र में नहीं समझता था, but today I understand it.
Listen.
No, just
Listen. I'm not desperate or whatever, okay? What I feel for you, I really trust you and I really, really like you. Trust me. Or is it because you're not attracted to me?
no, it's not that. It's because I care for you. I respect you, and I don't want to hurt you.
So you can't sleep with me because you respect me.
Yeah, basically, yeah, that's the reason.
That's like the saddest thing ever.
Meera, look, तुम नहीं समझोगी. अगर if we do it today, we'll do it tomorrow, and maybe I won't be able to stop myself.
What if it's not good enough only? Huh?
With what we shared right now, I don't think that.
Then I want to. Can I hug? Can I like kiss
No.
you?
No, Meera, stop it. You just see. Sorry, but I don't want to do.
Please leave.
Listen, try to understand.
Sameer sir, leave.
Okay. But I hope you'll understand this with time. And please, किसी को बताना मत मैं यहाँ आया था. Please forget this night, okay? Sorry.